Alright, so let's talk about the course schedule 2. So if you didn't watch this course schedule 1, then you just go back to watch it. So once you finish, you'll be able to understand what's the additional code you need to add. So basically in this one, you are going to return the order for course you need to take to finish all the course, right? So basically you need a list, and then once the queue is empty, then you just keep pushing. And then when you push, you just add a course into it. So this is going to be pretty much the same idea. So I'm just like start coding. So HashMap integer, right? So this is going to store the number of courses, and this is going to be the list. I'm gonna go map. Okay. So I would be able to know like what are the courses I need to what are the courses I need to take for the courses I need to take after, right? So for example, B, so you must take the B course first before you take the A course. So this is like outgoing, like an outgoing direction, right? So something like this, you must take the B first before A, right? So and then we still need what? We still need an in degree array. And this is going to be represent the number for courses, and I can traverse the prerequisites, right? So I'm going to say star is going to be what? Prerequisites 1 and is equal to what? Prerequisites is 0. So star and 0 is definitely star and n. Star represent the starting course, n represent the ending course, right? Now you can use the map.put, something like this, right? But for people who don't know how to compute if absent, then I will just write another way. So map.contain star. So if the map doesn't have the star, then you just put the star with a new array list. And then once you create it, right, then you can just say, and I get a star and I add the course into the list. So I also need an in degree. I'm going to just copy and paste in degree at n plus plus. This is because I have an incoming degree from the course B, right? So this is going to be pretty much it, right? So I need a q for integer, right? Q equal to new linked list. This is going to represent what? The courses you need to just keep adding for in degree equal to 0, right? So you know this is a course you have to take first, right? So for in I equal to 0, I less than nums courses, and then I plus plus. So if in degree at I equal to 0, q the offer at I. Okay, so now this is going to be pretty straightforward. So you basically traverse from the starting course, and then you just push. Just traversing while you are linking to others courses, right? And then you just decrement the incoming degree when you remove. So I will say while q is now empty. So in current with q.pull, and then I will just say traverse my neighbor, and then I will say map.get or default, and this is going to be what? Current or new array list. Alright, so you definitely need to use map.get or default. This is because what happens if the current doesn't have anything, right? So you have an empty array list. So I'll just decrement the incoming degree for the neighbor, and if this is equal to 0, I will just push into a queue. Alright, so this code is 99% like the course schedule 1, right? So in this case, you need to return an in array, right? I'm going to call result new int, This is going to be based on what? The number of courses. I need an index for the result, right? And I probably need a counter, right? I probably need a counter. Count. So when I pull, right, I increment my counter, and if the count is actually equal to the number of courses, I will just return result, else new int at 0, right? Where is it? So if there's empty, right, then you just return 0. And so I'm not finished. I didn't push into the result. So once I pull out the queue, right, I will say index plus for the current. And this is going to be pretty much the solution. So let me run it. Alright, so yeah. The time and space is going to be V plus E. V represent the number of courses. E represent the course you relate to. So this is going to be pretty much it, right? And definitely you can use the list array to solve this question, like the code schedule 1. Yes, if you didn't watch the video, just go back to the previous one. And this is going to be pretty much a solution. So I will talk to you later. Bye.